Apple iPhone SE2 goes on sale in March at a scandalous price? Apple is in a hurry with the release of the iPhone SE2, which can save the fallen sales of iPhones. Fresh information from sources close to Apple reports that the cheap iPhone 9, or as it is also called iPhone SE2, will begin to be collected in February 2020. The assembly of the new telephone will be distributed between the factories of Hon Hai Precision Industry, Pegatron Corp and Wistron Corporation. The company is in a hurry with the release of new items, as the budget iPhone 9 can save the deplorable position of Apple smartphones in China and India, Bloomberg reports. It is expected that after the start of the assembly process, Apple will officially introduce a new phone in March. Apple will show the smartphone at a traditional spring event, at the same one where the original iPhone SE was demonstrated 4 years ago. Apple iPhone 9 aims to replace the highly successful iPhone SE. The new budget will look like an iPhone 8 from 2017 with a 4.7-inch screen. The hardware of the device would be taken from the top-end iPhone 11 along with the A13 Bionic processor, 3 GB of RAM and a proprietary graphics processor from Apple. The camera will remain single, and the battery capacity will increase, but only slightly. Also, the option of wireless charging will go under the knife, but this will positively affect the price, $399 for a basic set with 64 GB of memory. The choice will also be provided with 128 or 256 GB of internal storage. According to sales results, Apple's more affordable iPhones have proven to be much more popular among consumers. The high demand for low-end models prompted Apple to turn to Taiwan semiconductor manufacturing company for more chips this quarter to meet the high expected demand for the iPhone 9, iPhone SE2,